Hi everyone, my name is Faye Ingrid Rascaro, and today I'll be presenting on the topic of misappropriation of personality, a legal issues that is especially important in today's digital and marketing-driven business world. So, imagine if your image appeared on a product or in an ad you never agreed to endorse. That's not just awkward. It can be illegal. So let's explore why and how businesses can avoid this trap. So Yates, Roderick A. Business Law in Canada, 12 editions, Toronto, Pearson, Canada, 2022 at 233 to 235 pages. So, according to our textbooks, misappropriation of personality is a tort, a type of civil wrong where someone's identity, like their name, photo, or voice, is used without permissions, usually to make money. So, the three key legal elements are: the first one is use of personal identity, the second one is without consent, and the third one is for commercial advantage. So, the case that I choose is legal. The case that I choose is the Giudice versus Thompson's v. Thompson's. Sorry. So, 2021 Ontario case involving proposed class action lawsuits. So, the plaintiff claim that their social media profiles, names, and images were misused on websites run by the defendant without their consent in ways that harm their reputations. So I found this case interesting because it brings the legal concept into the world to the world of influencers. So word of influencers, digital marketing, and online identity thief. So in short, the defendant ran a controversial blog where they posted content about the plaintiffs using their names and photos. So this post falsely linked them to inappropriate or illegal conduct. So the plaintiff argued that this violated their rights to control their identity and amounted to misappropriations of personality. So, while the class action wasn't certified due to technical legal requirements, the court confirmed that misappropriations of personality is a valid cause of action in Canada. So, the judge made it clear that the digital world doesn't erase these rights. Even social media's users deserve protection from identity misuse. So let's take a look at this mock ad. It looks like Taylor Swift is endorsing a new water brand called Swifter Water, right? With the tagline, stay swift and stay hydrated. So sounds convincing, right? It's look harmless, but legally it's a big deal. So, but here's the thing that Taylor Swift never agreed to be part of their ad. If a company use her image like this in a real life, so without her consent, it could be lead to a lawsuit for misappropriation's personality. So this fake ad helps use visualize how easy it is to cross the line in digital marketing. Just because a photo is online or persons is famous doesn't mean their identity is free to use. So that's why it's so important for companies to get written permissions before using someone's names, images, or voice in promotional contents. So what does this mean for business leaders? So as a companies use influencers content, repost photos, or even generate AI likeliness, um, they they need to understand that using someone's identity without permission can have serious consequences. Imagining promoting your brand using a celebrity face without a contract, you could be sued. So this thought reminds businesses to get written consent, res- respect publicity rights, and train their marketing teams properly. So to summarize, misappropriation of personality protects people from unauthorized use of their identity. So Giudice versus V. Thompson's is a modern digital example that shows how courts apply this tort in the real world. And for businesses, respecting identity rights isn't just ethical, it's legal risk management. So, thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you think differently about digital content, about brand strategy.